Guys, what's up? It's Love 11. So today I'm making bubblegum Orbeez slime. So there's not actual bubblegum in this. This is my bubblegum slime because it's in a bubblegum container, so soon it will smell like bubblegum. So I will show you what I put in this slime. Elmer's school glue. Baby oil. And last but not least, my activator. So this is a pretty simple slime. My activator, I used this OxyClean. Okay, now, so we're going to turn my normal slime. It's actually not quite normal because this activator is kind of weird. Slime, I call it my bubblegum slime. It's a little bit sticky, but that's okay. That means the Orbeez will stay in it. So we're turning this bubblegum slime, pretty much normal slime, into Orbeez slime. So as you can see, here are my Orbeez. So I'm going to get some out and put it in my hands. So I have blue Orbeez. Just so happened that my activator was blue, so it turned this slightly blue. Don't know if you can tell. So these are my Orbeez. So I'm just gonna put this. Guess I'm in my hands. Okay, ta-da. Okay, so I don't know how many we're gonna use. I dropped the Orbeez cap. Excuse my Orbiness. So I'm gonna just put them in the bubblegum container. I'm gonna put some in there. I don't know how many I'm gonna use. So there's this paper is okay. Here we go. Okay, so these are some of the Orbeez that I will be adding. So here, I'll pop one for you so you can see what it looks like. Oh gosh, here, one just dropped on the floor. Pick that up and pop it. Okay, so, geez, they're bouncy, wanting to run away. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's just bouncing everywhere. There we go. So it popped. Okay. So, it's ready for this. It's gonna be amazing. So I've never made Orbeez slime before. I have made foam bead slime and all that, but never Orbeez slime. So move the papers. So I'm just preparing for a swirl. Here. I'm just stretching and folding. So this is really runny for some reason right now. It's never been runny before. So I'm just gonna prepare for a swirl. Now that that is prepared, I am going to swirl it into the Orbeez. Okay, here we go. Ready? Now this is gonna be great, okay? Never been done by me before. Okay. So I'm an Orbeez slime noob. Okay. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Whoa, what is that? That is so great. Change your perspective so you can see this. This is like, they're so bouncy, I don't think they're ever gonna stick in it. If I like put it in, that's why it's a good thing that this slime is sticky. But these are like, oh my gosh. Oh wow, you can't see that. I'm doing great with filming today. These are so incredibly strange and I don't know, like this is a sticky slime and they're hardly sticking at all, even when I shove them in. They're just like bouncing everywhere. It's crazy. Whoa. So this, oh my gosh, this is going to be a messy slime day. All the orbees are falling out, so that, oh my gosh, these orbees. This feels so great, but I am gonna add more because there's not that many in here, but okay, so there's a couple crushed ones in there, which is like, I guess it's okay, because that's actually a thing. If you didn't know, like, crushed Orbeez slime is probably more cooperative than full Orbeez slime, because the full Orbeez are bouncy and want to run away. But honestly, that's part of the amazingness because they feel so good. So I'm gonna add these. Whoa! Ah! Help me, Lord. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. These are going everywhere, I tell you. I'm just gonna sweep them off the table into my hands, at least so I can have them. I know you're confused, I'm taking them out, but that's because I have an awesome idea. Ah! One fell on the floor. I can't find it. Oh, I found it. Let me go grab it. Yeah. Ah! It's bouncy. It's running away. I'm sorry. I'm having issues with these. They're like, they feel so great though. This is so satisfying. So my idea is like, make a bowl-like thing. This is failing. This is not a very cooperative slime right now. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna whoop boop. You know what? Honestly, that is good enough. So I'm gonna get some Orbeez into my hand. Oh my gosh, the slime is sticking to me. Help. Going to put them in there. And then voila. I was imagining something different than that when I was making the bowl, but I guess it's fine. Wow. I'm sorry. I'm just like killing it today with filming. Okay. That was sarcasm, just so you know. Okay, so the table's salty from when I made slime before, and I tried to activate it with salt. It was clear slime, but it's without glue. Oh my gosh, Orbeez are going everywhere. So I might have some salt in my Orbeez slime, my Bubblegum Orbeez slime. But I will tell you that this has gone actually surprisingly great. I know it's like I'm a mess. Everything is falling everywhere, but this feels like heaven. I'm like, oh my gosh. Orbeez falling everywhere. It feels so good. It's so weird. It feels like boba. Does anyone know what boba is? No? Is that just me? It's like this. I'm adding more. It's like this. Whoa. It's pretty much like edible Orbeez, except that they like pop in your mouth. They pop very easily. It is not fish eggs. And that would, ew. No, it's sweet. They have them at Menchie's. If you live near a Menchie's, can get your parents to give you some money to get Menchie's, try the boba. They look like Orbeez. So, this is great. I'm just rambling on, but honestly, today's video, I would say, other than the Orbeez going everywhere, was a success. So, the slime itself is a complete success. I would give the slime a rating out of 10 would be a 9 because it's not perfect because it's like stuff is falling out, but it feels great. So yeah, so I'm glad watched my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it as much as I did, because that felt great. Like, look at that. Who doesn't want that? Wow. Look at that. Look at that. So, feels great. Did I get... Oh, okay. I was making sure I didn't get, like, something gross on the phone. So, spare orbees. Wish me good luck with this. Nope. Nope, nope. Oh, I found it. I found it. You sneaky little guy. Oh, wow, look at that. So apparently I have to do this by hand. Whoa, okay. I'm just, yeah, okay. Getting the orbees in my hand. I'm cupping it, and I can't see that very well, but I'm like squeezing them in. I'll try doing it with my left hand. I don't think I can, but I mean, it's worth trying, right? Oh wow, some of these orbees are stuck in there. No, 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 don't you fall. Okay, so I'm cupping, pouring, nope, can't do it with my left hand. Cupping, and then whoop, 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 just squeezing them in there. So that's all for today's video. That was interesting. Comment below how this worked for you, and if your orbees went everywhere also. So, Orby bubblegum slime. It's just normal slime with orbees. It's just normal Orby slime. It's just the container. It smells a little bit like, whoa, my fingers are stuck. No. Oh my gosh. It smells a little bit like bubblegum, just a tiny bit, teensy weensy bit. So, whoa. Yeah, definitely comment how this worked for you. What kind of orbees you used. If you have any tips also. Can't even tell what I'm doing. But, no, they're so hard to pop. Oh, I used my nail, but that wasn't as satisfying as squishing them. Ah, see, that's satisfying. That is satisfying. So, in you go. Thanks for watching. Today was a shorter video than usual, but honestly, for me, it was fun. Hope it was for you. Bye.